So when government killed him, we started to dig, and we found the bones of the policeman still in their uniform. And so we had to take him out. I said, go and take him out. The mayor of Iloilo City, I identified him. This is broadcast nationwide. I said, you're next. You're next. Sana ang mayor ninyo dito? Sana yung pinagitan mo, mayor? Saan ba si mayor? Sinabi ko sa kanila, balik ka dito. Patayin talaga kita.
Ito na siguro ang tamang pagkakataon na malaya akong kukuha ng lakas ng loob at magsasalita ng katotohanan kahit ako pa ay natatakot at may pangamba sa aking buhay. Una po sa lahat,